Say goodbye to boring walls. Wall Fling's magnetic wallpaper lets you switch up your space in minutes. Just prep your wall, roll on our magnetic paint, plan your layout, and snap the tiles into place. When shopping at wallfling.com, by entering the widths and lengths of your walls, windows, and doors, we provide exact information on how many tiles you need. Included in the package are your tiles and our custom Scribe measuring tool, which is used for making traces along edges and lines. Here is a list of items you need, easily found at any big box hardware store. Pause the video, take a photo, gather your items, and you are ready. How to prepare and paint the wall. Step 1. Remove furniture, wall decor, and all miscellaneous mounts. Step 2. Cover the surrounding floor with builder's paper and secure with painter tape. Step 3. Cover and protect the borders and edges with painter tape. Step 4. Open the paint container using the can opener. Step 5. Pour the paint into the paint tray. Step 6. You'll need a roller and a brush. Dip each item as you see on the screen and cover the large areas with a roller and tight areas with the brush. Step 7. We recommend applying at least 3 coats to create enough magnetic force to last. Step 8. Wait 24 hours for it to fully dry, and you are ready to install the Wall Fling tiles. The most important step for all home improvement projects is mapping and planning. Knowing where everything fits before starting the job is key. Step 1. Place the laser level on a flat surface and point the laser at a spot on the wall. Make sure the horizontal line touches all walls where you are installing the magnetic tiles. Step 2. Place your first tile piece where the laser crosses, making sure that it is perfectly positioned in one corner of the cross. Let's call this the anchor tile. In this step, the tiles are being used as placement guides. Step 3. Create a cross shape with the tiles that spans the full width and height of the wall. This will show how much space you have for the edge pieces. Ultimately, your goal is to be sure that the remaining space is between 3 and 10 inches. When 2 tiles meet at a corner, the combined width of both spaces should be 11 inches so that the pattern will be continuous. When installing the tiles on multiple walls, note that each plane of wall must start with one fully installed vertical line of tiles. In this scenario, we have 4 planes of walls. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we will show you how cuts are made in a variety of scenarios. General edges. Step 1. Place a full tile over the last tile you installed, making sure it lines up exactly. This is the tile you will cut to fit the adjacent space. Step 2. Use the scribe and a pencil to mark that tile. Step 3. Remove the marked tile and make a clean cut using the guillotine cutter. Step 4. Install the tile. Edge corners. Step 1. Place a full tile directly over the nearest tile you installed. Step 2. Use the scribe and a pencil to mark for both edges. Step 3. Remove the tile and make a clean cut for both sides using the guillotine cutter and install the cut tile. Window and door trim. Step 1. Place a full tile directly over the last tile you installed. Step 2. Use the scribe and a pencil to make a mark, making sure to guide the scribe around the trim so that your mark goes with the contour of the window. Step 3. Make a clean cut using the professional shears and you are ready to install the tile. Window sill. Step 1. In this example, the cuts around the windowsill cover 2 tiles. Place 2 full tiles directly over the last tiles you installed. Step 2. Use the scribe and a pencil to mark the tile. At times, you may need to flip the scribe so that the flat side is touching the window trim. If you leave the angled side, it will not trace the contour of the window correctly and your mark will be off. Step 3. Remove the tile and make a clean cut using the professional shears and install the cut pieces. Inside corner. Step 1. Place a full tile over the last tile you installed, but have a penny's width overlap on the side closest to the corner. This is to ensure there is slight overlap when 2 pieces meet in the corner. Step 2. Use the scribe and a pencil to make a mark. Step 3. Remove the tile and make a clean cut using the guillotine cutter. Step 4. Place the non-overlapping tile first. Then, place the overlapping tile. Use your finger to press into the corner to achieve a smoother look. Outside corner. Step 1. Place a full tile beside the last tile installed, letting the tile overlap the end. Step 2. Use a penny to ensure there will be a slight overlap off the edge of the wall and mark both ends. This is to ensure there is slight overlap when 2 pieces meet in the corner, which will have a more seamless look. Step 3. Make a clean cut using the guillotine cutter and install the tiles. Switches and outlets. Step 1. Remove the cover plate. Step 2. Place the tile over and mark a 1x 1-inch square over the switch. Step 3. Using a box cutter, create a square hole to fit the switch. Step 4. Place the tile over the switch again and trace the overall shape of the outlet. Step 5. Remove the tile and make a clean cut using the box cutter, but make sure the hole is small enough that it fits under the switch plate when you put it back on. Small areas where the Scribe will not fit. Step 1. Place the tile over where it will be installed. Step 2. Mark the cutting points using a pencil. Step 3. Remove the tile and make a clean cut using the guillotine cutter or shears, and install the tile. Our Wall Fling tiles transform decorating into a fun, flexible experience, featuring fully customizable options designed to suit every mood, moment, and month. Shop online today at wallfling.com.